guys, this is the second part of the video series. This is Okcha, which is a USA based brand, and they also create dupes. And this is Gold Gem, which is a dupe of Baldi Afrik by Okcha. So let's try and see if it stands up to the hype. I'm spraying on this hand Okcha, and this hand we already have Baldi Afrik. I must say Okcha one is a little much more fresher and masculine on the top notes, at least, because it doesn't have white floral notes on the top notes, which the Baldi Afrik has. Baldi Afrik is much more softer, I must say, and Okcha one is much more sharper than the Baldi Afrik original. But I hope the dry down is similar. So I would say that if you want something which is much more leaning to masculine and more sharper, then you should go with this. And you should let it macerate and let it sit in your cupboard for 1 or 2 months. Let it get macerated to get the juice a little much more deeper and better. So I hope when the Okcha gets macerated at your home, it will smell much more deeper and better. But for time being, I feel Baldi Afrik is much more sophisticated. And Okcha one is, which is, you can wear it on day to day and not have dent in your pocket. You can just like overspray it. There is a new version that is Absolute from Baldi Afrik. You can try that as well. But I would say try this just to get hands on the perfume DNA and notes. And then you can buy the Absolute and spend your money in those. So this was my review for Baldi Afrik and Okcha. The final say on this is, if you want something which is much more sharper and headier, masculine than Baldi Afrik, you should go and buy Okcha. But if you want something much more softer, lighter, and there is this ambroxan-like airiness to the perfume, then you should go for Baldi Afrik. And the notes are almost same. The top notes are lemon, marigold, bergamot. The only difference in Okcha one, we have neroli, and in the original Baldi Afrik one, we have African orange flower. So yeah, this is my review. See you soon.